Hello everyone, welcome to spiritual cooking series, and today we are going to look about how to make a spiritual sambar. And when I say spiritual sambar, it's going to be vegan. Ultimately, it has no negative pranic foods such as onion, garlic, red chili, no green chili as well, mushrooms, no mushrooms. So these things I won't put, and also no microwave in my cooking or in my kitchen. And that is what all about spiritual cooking, and when we do food in this way, we will receive plenty of cosmic energy in abundance. That's what the whole idea behind the spiritual cooking. And yeah, so let's go ahead and see. And this spiritual sambar is going to be Moringa sambar, where I will put the Moringa leaves. Or if you don't know about Moringa leaves, it's kind of spinach. It coming from India as a principal country. So that's it. Let's go ahead and see how it is. So to make this sambar, it's pretty much simple. So these are all the ingredients that you need. You got tomato, and here you got Moringa leaves, mung dal, and then fenugreek seeds or methi seeds. We got salt, and then turmeric, cumin powder, asafoetida, and then pepper. Here you got fennel seeds and cumin powder. So for the sambar, first we are going to make a dal. For that I am going to cook this dal in a pressure cooker. Next we put fennel seeds, and finally we finish it off by putting some fenugreek seeds. And why I am adding these seeds during the process of cooking the dal means you can take the flavor out of this fenugreek and fennel seeds. That's the most important, guys. You will really like it. So now I put 3/4 cup of dal. For that you can take like 2 cups of water to boil the dal. So I am going to take some water now, and this is my second cup. So guys, now I can see clearly that the vapor is coming out. So this is the time that I am going to keep my weight. In my case, I will leave it like around 2 whistles to come. And that's the ideal condition for my dal to get cooked. But don't know about in your house. You might maybe have to leave 4 whistles. Not sure. So it's according to your pressure cooker. And meanwhile, I just wanted to show you what I have here. So this is the batter, which is made out of rice flour and urad dal, white urad dal, which is like the skin which is removed after the black urad dal. When the skin is removed, it becomes white urad dal. And this one, we are going to make crepe out of it. When I say crepe, it's an Indian crepe called dosa. So most of the Indian people may know that what is dosa is, but if people are watching from other countries, so this goes really well with the sambar that we are making today, and that's what I wanted to show you. Cutting some tomatoes ready for the sambar. And the thing is, I just wanted to speak about veganism. When it comes to veganism, people say that where can you get your protein from, where can you get your fat from, where will you get your vitamins or calcium from? These are the questions that we used to have repeatedly, isn't it? So as clearly what you can see in my cooking now, you got this spinach which has more amount of calcium than the cow's milk, and afterwards you got this dal which has huge amount of protein, and then you got carbohydrate in rice, and protein is also there in the urad dal. Fat, we are going to put some peanut oil, which is the healthiest one that I found so far. So there are plenty of options, friends. So that's what I all wanted to say about veganism now. Let's continue for cooking. Okay guys, so now the dal is cooked. Now I am going to make the spinach. Let me pour some peanut oil. Now I am adding some tomatoes. saute the tomato. So now the tomato is cooked about 2 to 3 minutes, and now I am going to add the spices that we got. This is going to be coriander powder, and then cumin powder, and you got turmeric powder, not too much, and black pepper powder, afterwards a bit of salt, and at the end you put some asafoetida, and give it a mix. Let it cook for about 2 minutes. As you could see, now the oil is coming out of the tomatoes, and this is the right time to add the moringa leaves. Let's open the dal and see if it is cooked. So yeah, so it's nicely cooked. Now we are going to keep this in low flame, because the spinach is also cooked almost done. It took me for hardly like 5 minutes, the cooking time of the spinach, and as you could see, it's a bit dry. I am going to pour some water and make it a bit liquid. Afterwards I am going to add this to my spinach. Okay, so now it's mixed and it's done. I am going to now add this to the spinach. That's it. A nice spiritual sambar or moringa sambar is done. As per your wish, if you feel like putting some more water, you can put some more water to make it more liquid, or else if you feel like eating a bit solid like this, you can. Then we can keep it aside. Afterwards, now I am going to make dosas, the crispy dosas. Our dosa and spiritual sambar is done. I'm going to taste it now. Let's see how it came. Sounds crispy, you know. To be honest guys, I must try one. Everything is perfect. The tanginess in the dosa, the flavor, especially the fennel seed which we put when the dal was cooking in the pressure cooker, has released nice flavor. It's perfect. And please make it in your house and put on the comments how you made it and what's the experience, and I would be very glad to read your comments. See you soon on the next video. Signing off, Arpita. Bye bye.